Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This time I will give 5 ways of hijab models for party. I made this video to fulfill my assignment. No need to linger, just go to the tutorial. Enjoy watching. The first hijab model is very simple. You just need to equate the length of the hijab. Then attach it to the head on the ear. The rest of the hijab you put behind your back, then the hijab that has not been bound is stored toward the right shoulder and pinned again to make it look neat. So that it looks more elegant, I wear silver earrings. The second hijab model is almost the same. You guys pin it and then the two ends of the hijab are put behind and then tied. I use gold earrings so that the colors are more unified. The third hijab model, type of hijab turbans. This hijab is very simple for you to follow. All you have to do is pull the hijab back and then cross it. Then the hijab that you put on the left side up, then to the right side and the tie. I use silver earrings as a suede. The fourth hijab model, still the same as this type of turban. This hijab model is very young. You just cross back, then the hijab on the right is rotate to knot and then do the same thing on the left. I use a pair of gold earrings. The fifth hijab model, equate the length of the hijab, then pull the hijab to the left. Turn it up, then pin it. Then the right side of the put at the pin. I use silver earrings. Yaps, that's 5 types of very simple. Thank you for watching.